everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Makeup Monday video, and we are going to be doing a concealer showdown. I know I told you guys I was going to do it on Friday, but then I got all this Amazon stuff and I thought I'm going to do an Amazon haul on Friday and then I'm going to make this our Hot Flash and Wrinkles one. So anyways, it's a concealer showdown and it's a drugstore one. This is the Maybelline Super Stay concealer, full coverage concealer that I tried out last Wednesday or Monday, last week for our Hot Flash Wrinkles. I tried this one and I tried this one, which is the CoverGirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. And I tried this one a while back, I'm sure, for our makeup, our Hot Flash. But anyways, this one, they both retail at Ulta for $11.99 each. This one comes in 12 shades and this one comes in 14 shades. I have the shades, hopefully the same shades. I don't know what, this one is 05 or 0.5 and this one is 100 Fair Porcelain. And this one is Ivory, I believe. Yes. So hopefully they'll match close enough that I won't look silly. So let's get started. I'm going to start with the Super Stay on this eye and the CoverGirl on this eye, I think. Yes. No, I think this one showed drier. And since the Super Stay did so well on both eyes, I'm going to put the Super Stay on this side and the CoverGirl on this side. So we're going to start with CoverGirl. I already have my primer on. I used the Tarte base tape for my primer, and for my foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. This one goes on this eye, okay. I'll use this one on the chin, and I didn't get a separate sponge though, so I'll have to go get one after I do this side. Oh, I forgot to put some on my lid. I like it on my lid because I need all the coverage I can get these days on these eyelids. So we'll just go in and blend this out. I remember this one being, I think, more full coverage, but definitely drier. But, you know, my memory is not what it used to be, so I could be remembering wrong. Or it could be a weather change or a face change or anything. So now they're going to get a fair shake because it's the same face, the same weather, one on each side. This one dries down faster too. I'm not remembering that, I'm just noticing it. But it does have really good coverage. I remembered liking it, but I just didn't remember for sure. I can use this side of the sponge, it's not dirty. So I don't need another sponge, I'll just use that side. And now I'm gonna do the Super Stay on the other side. I have to tell you that this one seems, I'm going to look and see how much is in here, because this one seems like it just doesn't have nearly as much. Because this is brand new. I used it that one time when I tested it. I'll do that after I blend it out. So that, I think this one doesn't dry down nearly as fast. If I remember correctly from the other day. Seems like it doesn't. But I can see already that this eye has a lot more coverage. Maybe I'll just put a little more on. Maybe it's just because of this wand that you just don't get as much. But it definitely seems like it needs more. Well, that just seems like it blended right away. Okay, what do you guys think? I'm not going to say anything for a minute so you can make your own mind up. Actually, I already did, huh? But what do you think? I think, let me get close. Okay. Can you see the under eyes? CoverGirl Maybelline. And I am a huge Maybelline fan. But I have to say, come on now. No, right there. I think the CoverGirl's better. I mean, I don't remember how it wore, but I just feel like this side is just not covered as much. So, but I'm going to wear it because if this one breaks up, then this one's better, right? Let's go ahead and put on some contour. Powder. That is the wrong brush. Where is it? There it is. Hopefully I didn't wait too long and get 3 circles on my face. Powder. Let's do powder. Go in and make sure there's no lines. I forget to do this half the time. But you really should do it. I just forget. take my brush and spread all that powder around. Get rid of any excess. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and finish my makeup, and I will be back. Okay, guys, I am back. This is our final look for today. As far as these concealers go, they look good. Both of them look good. This one has more coverage, I believe, but this one looks good too. So I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know if anything changed. I know that I just did this one and nothing changed by the end of the day. This one, I can't remember. So we shall see. It doesn't look like it's going to move though. I got some mascara on it. There. Perfect. So I will be back at the end of the day to let you know how it did. But right now, they both look really good. I do think that this one has more coverage. And they're the exact same price. And actually, this one comes in more colors too. Just 2 more colors though. So I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. It is the end of the day. And it is a rainy, awful day. And I've been out in it. So if my hair's all fuzzy, that's why. Anyway. Oops, I'm not supposed to say anyway. Somebody said I would sound a lot more professional if I didn't say anyway. So I'm going to try not to say it. So, as far as this concealer goes, these concealers, we are doing the CoverGirl, Maybelline Super Stay, CoverGirl, what is this? Trueblend. CoverGirl Trublend and Super Stay, Maybelline Super Stay. And I actually think they're both awesome. I do think this one has, that the CoverGirl has a little bit more coverage. So I would prefer this one. Plus I was going to look and see how much there is in here. In the CoverGirl, it says there is 10 milliliters or 0.33 ounces. In here, yes, it says there is 0.23 ounces. And this, I'm telling you, it feels like there's not much in here. So I would say go with the CoverGirl just because I think that they're very similar. They're exactly the same price. You get more coverage and you get more product in the CoverGirl. So that is my findings. Neither one of them is breaking up anywhere. Let's see, not on my nose. Oh, it's probably gone on my chin. Maybe not though, because this is a fasting day, so I haven't eaten anything. So anyways, that's what I choose. I say that if you're going with a drugstore brand, these are exactly the same price. Both of them are $11.99. You get more product with the CoverGirl and you get more coverage with the CoverGirl. But if you don't need more coverage, this one's good too. It is. It looks great. But like I said, it feels like there's nothing in there. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. And follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. And I will see you in my next video. Mwah!